Killers. Yeah,
What
yeah,
is
yeah.
up, guys? Jamaica Gamer here with a video of we are doing Among Us. We are doing Among Us. So them attack some I could just jump straight tonight and just do it for do. Alright, let's go.
Oh, for start. Who are weapon?
I mean, man, we're there.
So mute all my.
Alright, let's go. Bend over. I don't like bend over name, you know. Idiot name him off. Oh, I don't trust that person. I was doing that. Yeah. Thank you. Go on from left from around bend over. I don't trust him. Traffic, I don't trust traffic now, then. Wagwan.
Yeah, my fear for my life, you know. I killer them.
Which part the body was? Where the body was?
There's nobody.
No.
Nobody out there.
No.
So I want to come in for.
All right. What was your concern?
I'm reason. See, one of the killer them are Davies.
When I kill what?
Oh,
Right,
sure.
because Davies run me down the wall, like, everywhere I go, Davies run behind me. So
Watch it.
Bobby, me know say me nah see you. I'm task me I go do upper engine room. So me block my map them. Me never see you. Me never see you. Come put up my map and me I walk go upper engine room.
Dog, that run on him, man, dog.
Hold on, Bobby. If you're alive, something wrong. You know more than kill you. You know more than kill you.
Dog, tap run on him, man, dog.
I'm gonna do my task, man. Come on, want to do my task and see if we can actually,
Yeah.
get that win, yeah.
Skip what?
A skipper?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ja. Man really vote for David. Yeah. I want to sample that. So let's go, people. Back again. That was just a quick discussion. If you see what go on, because the man not trust Killer Biggs look like a not Killer Biggs, David, no? Man never say David I run him down. Last time he was watch him 2 years, sir. No sir. No. The man hide in a bush. Don't jig him, leave me jig him, leave me. Oi! I don't trust nobody in the dark. I don't trust nobody. I'm staying up here, I'm running away from people. Who this a come? Davida. Me not trust you, Davida. Do my task. Davida. Come over here, sir. Ha!
You're dead!
And Davida! Yo! And Davida! That's why the man said not trust Davida, you know. Or go to Davida, man. No, said the man should have voted him on the first time. Yo, Janos time. When I'm keeping that med day, brother. I'm dropping butterfly. People. This is my first time actually playing this game, people. So stay with me. Emergency meeting.
Go away. Why?
Everywhere we go, this man they behind me, you know.
Davida.
Wait. Okay. Let the person with the mic so them say, right? Tika.
I just follow you back here, brother, because I know I know you are the imposter, so I just follow back here.
No, we're not hear you.
Me feel sad Jody still.
It's not me. I finished my task in a long time. The last task I just do was in reactor with the 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. And when I done that, I say nameless, I think I think it was a nameless
Raul.
person, and him go to the gasoline tank. I'm gonna stand up beside him for a little bit, and then I go over to Tika. I'm gonna run with Tika, go up to the table, and I guess she's suspicious of me, so she called the meeting. But
Wait,
that's
why
it.
Somebody put
So
Which
Killer
one?
Big safe, Raul safe, and me safe.
In electrical, there's no one to too much money. You didn't see them.
Yeah, Raul did. Me and Raul go in electrical.
Don't trust them, mama.
He said Jody that follow.
Them a killer.
But me just explain the reason why me there follow.
So who used to take up the gas can?
The nameless
Raul.
person. Yeah, me no know him nameless to me, so the name now come up, but it's black. Yeah.
Yo, traffic's a argue our case, you know.
So if I was a killer, would I kill him because me and him did that together for a little while, and me and Tika did that on storage together too. So it's not me.
Vote, man.
Safe, yeah.
Exactly. Just finishing the task. Everybody just finishing the task, and then we can win.
Finish
Even
your
you,
task.
JWG too, you know, even though you're dopey now, you can still do your task.
Yeah, you can feel the task.
Yo, I don't want to do no task, my yo.
You
I don't want to do no task.
unmute.
You
You
can't
can't
talk, you
unmute.
can't
You
talk,
did
you
already. You did. Oh, what? Tika. Yo.
I go follow David. Where him there? Go ahead. I go follow him. David there. Where David there? Where him there? David there. Kinky David. Where him there? Where David there? I want to see who am I going to kill next? Or killer. Or killer ring sting. Man have killer ring sting, brother. Man have killer ring sting. Man have killer ring sting, dog. What I said? Killer, me know, man.
Yo.
Look there, you see it? Wanna see it?
Dead.
You see, I'm not suspicious of me. Why?
Wanna see it?
I did not a thing.
Tell us your idea.
Yo, Bobby, you're lucky, you know. You come call me on the fuck off here now, all I go
Yo, from the first meeting when my boy say, Dirty David follow back at him, you know, I know say that boy that's suspicious, you know. Man, joking on the head.
Ease yourself after that. But we never gonna kill Jody, cause Jody just no.
Yo, no matter
no
matter how I try to stay away from people, dog, them always a find me, dog. Like me can't run, brother. My keyboard not work.
I tell you. Well, yo, who name Killer Bigs, man. If you're walking, man. I think of 5 people for dead right now, no Killer Bigs. You kill nobody?
Every time the Christmas, the 3 more run in.
Cause you can't time crank him.
Kill, man.
Cause you can't time crank him.
Tell you.
Alright, we good now? You ready now? Ready now?
Yeah.
9 again, yeah? Alright, let's go. Alright, people, this is the third game. Third game. Let me see if I can do something, you know. Am I the imposter? No, I'm not. Why am I not the imposter? There are 2 imposters here. Yo, David, I'm not trust you in David. Go on, brother. Download. Download. Alright, cool. Left your son now. Cause me not trust them boy, yeah. Me not trust them boy, yeah. And them girl you took, one couple girl in you too. Me not trust them neither. Them girl are wicked, them wicked. Tika, hey, Tika. Them bust out traffic set.
Yo, I'll find about it. Start that. Okay. Me suspicious of somebody, but me not.
Rahul, in a discard.
Rahul.
I'm not in a discard. You say if I'm in a electrical.
Yo, me still in the first part we do my task in the dog. There's somebody there. Do my
Tail
task.
band suspicious cause. Tail band is suspicious cause in the right out the electrical door. And in an electrical find the body.
What do I find something?
How the person when I done name? A Raul?
Raul.
Yo, vote him out. A Raul.
Make it again.
And a Raul.
When by a Raul?
Me and him walk go in electrical and Tailban did stand up right at electrical door.
Wait, the person in the election.
So, what you say then? A tailban? That you try to say?
Feels that him suspicious cause it's like him did a walk out of electrical,
Yeah.
kill the person, left, stand up out of the door.
So when I vote Taliban? Who vote after?
Yeah, vote him. Vote. So me. Yo,
I got me.
yo, all I vote, dog.
Yo, I'm a map me and look one dog.
All I vote, brother. Taliban was ejected. Right. I don't trust nobody in a dog. I don't trust nobody, brother. Download. Quick download before them come kill me. Quick. Oh, something going on a while ago. Who dead? Don't tell me some me dead. Okay, thank you, dead. Stars. What gonna say? Huh? Okay. Boom. Alright, my toss on you, so cool. Oh, Tika! Me not trust somebody in the dog. What gonna say now? Oh, yes, sir. Toss on you, sir. Tika, love me. Probably I mess. I'll vote him out next time, man. Raul. Because I want to be imposter too, but I can't get to be none. I don't know why I can't be none. I that kill off everything. I that kill we not see. What this again? Come on, get it. For them, can you me? Yeah, it don't matter. Till I do it though. Alright, let's. Oh, dead body found. What go on, that's no.
Body in the reactor.
Who find him? J Gamer?
Yeah.
In reactor. I was just minding my own business doing my task.
JWG was near communications, so you see Killer Biggs. Nobody said Tika. Nobody said Tika, but Raul did a summon here in electrical.
We did run past Tika and Tika was looking at me like him want to dig me in my ear, you know. So I just run past him quick, you know. They even know what going on in there.
Raul was in electrical. I don't know what he was doing, but he wasn't near any task.
I voted for Raul. I'm voting for Raul. Because the fact I'm not the name, it get to me now. Sorry. It's not a name, dog. So who was it? Tika asked who was it? I think Raul gone.
Tika vote for JWG, Raul vote for Tika.
Tika, you vote for me after me run past you and me coulda kick in your face? Yo! Tika, see there? See there?
Them are giving too much time, no.
Oh, big second, this thing. Yo,
Me
I don't understand this, dog. I don't understand this, brother. I swear to God. Tika run past me. I'm telling you, Tika look at me like say, yo, I don't trust Tika. Yeah, brother. So I just keep it moving, dog. Because I know what time it is. Nobody there for witness me death. Yo. Traffic, say good again.
Yeah, I'm a good man. I don't know. I don't need for. I need a better reason for I vote out people. Because I don't vote out everybody else except for the killer them. I need to ask some tough questions.
Like
Say
what?
what you did do. What kind of task you did do.
All right. Here what then? Stop. You stop dead so quick then and ask the question them.
But I love it. I could live.
And that's why you're dead first. That's why you're dead first.
Yeah.
And that's why you're dead first.
All right, let's start. Let's
Too
go.
much questions. The first.
Tika, try and unplug your earphone and see if it work better.
Imposter. Imposter. No, them can't hear me. Them can't hear me. Them can't hear me. Who is my imposter friend? So I'm gonna kill people now. Yeah. So what I'm gonna just click on it. No, I'm not. I'm just doing my task. Huh? So I'm gonna kill. So just click on that. Alright, cool.
You can go down vents as well.
Can go what?
Go down the vents, look, those ones.
Okay.
That's what I'm thinking. I used to go down the vents.
All right.
What happened?
Where was the body?
Just saw somebody killer bigs vented in weapons.
Our killer bigs they get catch.
No. Me no bet. Yeah. So
In weapons vented. So I saw him from not killer bigs. Somebody else. It's not killer bigs. It's a different color. It's a reddish kind of color.
So reddish kind of color. Hey boy, what you try do?
JWG.
What you talk about reddish kind of color, brother? What you try do?
JWG.
Eh?
You have on something that kind of clothes
What?
and your character.
What kind of clothes? Ask me now.
Like one white and bluish color.
Wrong smarty. No, brother, I don't need that dog. Brother,
Alright.
that's
Alright, here, well, we're gonna skip because nobody not dead. So you don't really make sense to vote on nobody right now. So we just skip for now. Cause you never really sure who you say anyways.
JWG to me still.
JWG what?
You're suspicious. You're sus, man. You're sus.
What not talk about me suspicious? For what?
You didn't hear the man say MC event.
Going on what kind of event? What is event, bro? Me not going on event, brother. Yo, don't know me that. Come on, one talk about. I first play the game on that talk about. I'm going to event. On event, me go event. I'm anger go come out in a minute. Come on, one talk about.
Oh my gosh. I hope for vote. Bend over. You can vote, please. Bend over, gang. Go do something.
I think he left the game now. I'm there.
Who move for when I skip
Skip.
vote?
Yeah,
let's
we skip vote. Yeah. Oh, so we can't vent with them see. Okay.
Wait, did it? No, was it?
I think he's gonna vote me out next round still.
Don't go.
We're not going there.
Because if anyone's filming the event,
They're following me now. We try to task them there. We need a task.
I think the one where it's blowing up right there. Like, to save the table just happened.
Oh, this Tika. Hey! Let me keep even. One, kill somebody now. Kill somebody. Tap there. One, kill somebody. Let me kill them.
But look, you see the kill?
Okay, so I'm gonna go in the electrical to fix the light and boom, dead body.
Which part?
Only in the electrical.
Okay.
Just
The only
walking
person I see
electrical
was
to the
Jay.
body.
Yeah, him just walking behind me.
Oh.
Jay
JWG
Gamer.
did in a storage.
Mr. Tika in a cafeteria the last time.
Yeah.
But that's it. Who did it in a admin?
I'm supposed to Ben and somebody else.
Yo, me don't know about my shit. I don't even know what they.
Ben and
what them
who?
listen now.
Because
Yeah,
That's
JW is
the
there in a
trick.
storage.
in a storage a while ago or
Yeah.
long time.
As me walk in electrical in there in a storage.
Him look like him there and go to electrical.
Nope, just stand up.
That's very suspicious.
No, dog. We not kill nobody. Me
That's
never
very
know kill
suspicious.
people.
All right, JWG, what kind of task you do since the round start?
I connected the wire them together. Me know
Where?
what name. Eh?
Where did that?
In a electrical. And come back out.
All right then.
JWG.
Eh?
Wait, who I meet in admin a while ago? Me and two other people. I think it was White and somebody else. I can't remember.
Yeah. Tika.
And Tika. There was somebody else, man.
Yeah.
Somebody else you're running after. The only person I'm really suspicious on right now is JWG.
Jano really dog.
Just because somebody said him see it in a storage and electrical is right beside storage. That's the only reason. And the other person I say was J Gamer and him running after me. So I can't him.
No, listen. Remember, say I am using my keyboard, so I'm walking around slow. I'm pressing tab
Yo,
to
we have to vote
search
somebody,
for.
you know. We have to vote somebody, so me I vote you.
You vote me?
Simple.
Yo, me I vote you. Cause me don't know what you do. Me I vote you.
Because you were the
No,
closest
not
person
me.
to the
I
dead
can't
body.
be.
So why you never
Jesus
give-
Christ, have mercy. So the wicked.
Bye. Bye-bye.
They vote me out. 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 You're. Yeah, come and off the date now. I come and off the plate now. Killer Big now. Killer Big I got done them for me. Oh, there's a J game. I will Killer Bigs there. Watch it. Watch them bungle up together. Tika. This is our communication. Sorry for them, somebody down. So electrical and
Game
storage.
there, something. Card. One you game name.
Who this? Sabotage. Oh, me can sabotage things here, me? Can I? I'm hotter than ale. What is that? What about the not dead? Killer Bigs them, man. Wicked game, I might mute. Oh, everybody reported.
Okay, me and Taliban up on the cameras and we say Killer Big Skill Tika. So you just get catch, brother. You just get catch, simple. You can't defend that. The two we did and see it.
So how we get imposter so much time?
And that means
I wonder this same thing. Every game was
Alright.
about killer.
hopefully JWG was actually the other killer. So if him vote out now, that means I will win.
What out now?
Many things are Tika and this is Tika that's an
Many things that Tika because me look on the camera and Tika run up and
Yeah, you cannot. It's when you find the fuck body. The straight turn, see me in the class, like, kill some run. The first line never shine for me.
Put the foot on it.
Yeah,
He's
boy.
gonna jump into the
Yo, them now vote. Wanna vote on top of the nice? Wanna vote now, man?
Killer Big, just vote for yourself. Just vote for yourself. I hate that.
Like, if you don't see Killer Big, gonna vote now, man? Gotcha, Killer Big, say what I vote.
Vote for Bobby. Me know that it JWB. Me know that it.
Yo, because yes, because me know which body thing them there on the map. You hear me now? Me no electrical like a big idiot. For me say something else. They even know what to say. Yo, you tie me up, my girl.
That's what I asked you. That's what I asked you which way you did that task, sir.
You just go there, you see me look at the task and go there.
No, me see one suit vent, you know. I just could remember. For that.
Yo, me say, and my son said to me, say, you shouldn't vent this. So me I said, John, what? Yo, dog. That gave me a crazy, dog. Seriously, that gave me a crazy. Killer Biggs. Oh, you get this thing so much time, brother? Are you not killing nobody more than somebody? You tell kill people on camera.
I kill people on camera.
They cannot the same time I pass the camera. If there's somebody watching me, that's how I try to run, but nobody's no camera to this.
Yeah, but they have no respect on camera there. Alright, let's go again anyway.
They're not secure.
No, it's mine and mine all mash up.
We hear you now, Tika. We can't hear you now.
Somebody left the game.
Funny too. No, like that.
You don't follow me, man. Go on where you go. Can I toss this? Come on. Get them. Alright, task complete. Alright, thank you. You're welcome. Alright, then a weapons room now. Oh god, how this?
There's for accident, Jordan.
Come on, kill me, yes. 0, 2, 6, 4, 3. Okay, alright, okay. Who this? Me them kill?
Where?
Yo, which one that is there?
Where?
Beneath cafeteria, right? What the hell? I get disconnected from server.
I was in the weapons room anyway.
Okay, well, still tell which way you see the body.
Beneath cafeteria.
Storage.
In a room with body.
Yeah.
Yeah, a storage. You know what gasoline bottle there?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I get kicked from the game.
No, listen. I think it was Davian or whatever his name is. I think it was him. Honestly speaking.
Yeah, and I mean just fix the oxygen thing. I could
Which
never
one?
remain.
Which one of the oxygen? Which one of the oxygen?
The on the left hand side, man, where them sabotage something, man. Me fix it a while ago and then go do the
listen,
which one of the oxygen, Tero? Which one of the oxygen, Tero?
It's up on the left hand side of the map. But the one we put in the
over
number.
to navigation.
No, navigation up on the right hand side of the map. Up on the left hand side. Yeah, close to navigation. Come from navigation.
If I never I'm in my head, dog. I swear.
But me and JWG in the same room.
You and JWG then at the same room.
Yeah. And me and somebody else did that. I do the task too. So I don't know. Somebody black. So I probably bend over.
A Devon brother.
I can see that name, change the name still.
A Devon brother.
A Devon. Please a Devon.
A Devon brother.
Cause me left JWG in a weapons.
If I'm a Devon,
went to admin. When the admin do the oxygen.
Yeah, me.
Yeah, let's vote. We have 15 seconds left. We have vote for Devon.
We vote for Tika.
I'm voting for Devon, 100%.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna keep me for no reason.
No, it is for a reason. It is for a reason. It is for a reason. Even my son say yo. Come on.
Okay. Alright, all the best.
Bye.
Wow.
Tika and Tropics, Jesus.
Well, there you go.
Devon. Hey, my son, you're wrong. Come out of the room. Go on where you go, my youth. Yo, me not trust Tropics. That's why Tropics get up and left our mic and go and come back. But who you have to find a dog? Me not trust Tropics, brother. So, guys, this is where I'm gonna end this video. This was my first time playing it, so guys, if you enjoyed the video,
Find
please
disconnected
leave a like on the
from the
video.
server.
Please subscribe if you're new. All right. So guys, I'll see you in the next one. All right. Peace.
Yeah.